This section is another Visual Basic essential because you're going to learn how to work with cells, with worksheets, and with workbooks. Especially, you're going to learn the different ways that you can write to and reference cells. Now, since ranges are the most used object in Excel, because most of the macros we create are going to be manipulating ranges, I'm going to take you through the most useful range properties and methods. Now, the other common question that comes up when you work with ranges is, how do you know when the range ends? So how do you find the last row? Or how do you find the region where you have data and on which your macro should actually run? And if you need to create macros that switch between different worksheets and different workbooks, which you probably do at least at some point in time, you need to know how to reference them correctly. So that's what we're going to cover as well. And it's going to be super fun because we're actually going to type in our first code from scratch right now.